participation is
Hi guys, this is Jiray and me and my friend joined Code Experience 2. It's a DICT event para sa anniversary ata nila. And yep, so we already talk about kung anong stock gagamitin namin. And yung stock nila sa stock ko ay kakaiba. May nakita akong database, it's Torso. And I talked to them if pwede namin itong gamitin since bawal na gumamit ng AI but pwede namin gamitin yung AI for learning new concepts. So we will take a risk. For it, it's also a database and nag-agree naman sila. Okay. We will use Astakata is Vanilla JS, then HTML, CSS, and Node, and Express, then yung Torso. Yeah, so good luck ata sa amin and
Alin, bayaran na.
Kit. Cellphone boy. Tirago ngayo.
Yeah.
Hello, Piming Yang.
Pagkaon.
Privilege. Privilege to.
Ano siya? Para sa imong system tanong. Lang.
Pwede YouTube na papatulog.
May mga problems na mabubuo na encounter kanina. Time management. Pero were you able naman to finish on time? To the spirit of the National ICT Month 2026 with the theme receiving the certificate of participation. The certificate of participation is presented to me of participation. Certificate of participation. Certificate of participation. To Georgie Hilario. To Miss Christine. Mr. T getting the same certificate of participation is presented to her last. Alright, congratulations. Same certificate of the Our first runner-up or second place at this year's Tolex Express 2 goes to Team. Di ba dapat mag-skip yun? Team Streamline! Para makaulit daw kami sa venue. Joke lang. Joke lang. Never go. Congratulations, team! Katsi Tatev! Our champion! This year's Top Experience 2 2026. But a big applause to our champion! This year's Top Experience 2.
Joy, and note that this is not the last time. So, we will still be having sa susunod pang taon at sa mga susunod pang taon. So, kahit hindi man kayo nalilita,
And leaders, have a safe trip home and good day, everyone. And to our third year next year.
No.
Yeah. So sana maka-join ulit kayo next year.
Nabusog ka, bro.
Siya to, yung pangod ko. Ah. Babay na ako.
Ha? May iba ka duman?
Bigyan mo na ako, babay.
Oh, sige. Bro, congrats, bro.
Ay, congrats. Thank you. Alright. Bye.
Oo, ay ka. Pangod mo, ani sa'yo dyan.
Parehas yan.
Ayo. Ipangod. Pinsan niya yan. Putot, nagkuha ka na duman. Sharon kita, bro. Thank you. Oh, ang ano ko. Dati na raw sa tripod.
Ganyan, tigadara mo na. Kadalwas mo, nag-vlog ka. Oral daw dapat ang post mo.
Ano bro? Ano yung event? Ano? Mag-vlogger na ako ni Lina. Elena and...
Hindi, motor vlog kami.
Ay, motor vlog?
Motor na kami, motor vlog.
Oh,
Tamang
tas-
ano lang.
tamang step lang. Kit. Napasira?
Bye. Basic.
Ano rating?
Basic.
Ano rate sa pagka?
Basic. Yung pagkao ka, mas nakapokus. Pusog-pusog.
Masupog-supog na ayok.